Hi, I'm going to talk briefly about some of the changes we're doing for our NEFRS reports in Firehouse 7, effective January 2011. In this video, I'm going to show you how we're going to be using the response field and how that's going to be different. We have a real basic, really a totally incomplete incident here. I've got one unit that I just added, and we've got a response code right here. Now in the past, we used to use a set of letters here which corresponded to essentially the call type that we used to capture when we were dispatching ourselves before we went to Northcom. That data is no longer applicable, and it's also being captured in a couple other areas such as the incident type and mutual aid received and things like that. So, however, there is some information here that we would like to start capturing that's getting more and more important, especially now that we have AVL for our units and things like that. Essentially, these are going to be the new codes or something very similar to them. Currently, we have them in Firehouse. They're under a subfolder, so they might be here, or you might need to scroll down and look for some sort of an old folder. The first digit is going to correspond to the geographical location that the unit is in when it received the call. So basically, because of AVL, CAD knows where our units are, but we really aren't capturing where that unit is when the call came down. So the first digit, the 1, 2, 3, 4, would be essentially where the unit is when this call came down. The next letter can be one of three things. It could be blank, which is to indicate that your unit is responding code 3. It could be an N, indicating that you have decided or were directed to respond no code. And then the last one would be a D if your unit was in some sort of a delayed status when you received the call, such as a drill or a training delay or something like that. For purposes of this, we are going to ignore the admin delay because it's actually only a couple second delay. We're not going to be capturing that at all. So based on that, you're going to be filling these out, and you can either do it from the lookup menu here, or it's pretty simple. You can go simply entering the area that your unit was in. So in this case here, most of the time engine 1111 will be responding from the station 1 area. But if it was not 1111, if it was 1193, for example, and 1193 was in the downtown area, such as at the admin building, and they got a call, they would also get a 1 there for responding from station 1. Likewise, if 1112 was covering station 4 while station 4 was at a drill, then this response code would start, in that case, with a 4 or a 4D or something like that, indicating that that unit was covering and available from station 4 when they received the call. That's kind of it for now. If you have any questions or concerns or feedback, you can email us at firehouse@ncfire.org, and we will get back to you with that. Thank you very much.